Hi guys, it's Ellie and welcome to another easy drawing tutorial with Kawaii Art Tribe. Based on your comments on last week's drawing video, most of you voted for Pusheen the Cat, so stay tuned if you want to learn how to draw a cute and easy Pusheen cat using the one-stroke painting technique. Before we dive into this week's step-by-step drawing, here's a shout out to the lucky winner of our one-stroke paint giveaway. If you'd like to stand a chance to win our one-stroke paint and have your cute drawings featured in next week's art video, check out Kawaii Art Tribe on Instagram. The links are in our description box below. These are the art materials that you will need. And if you are new here, I have a free beginner's one-stroke painting class specially for you. This free online art class is perfect even for parents and kids with no art background. Plus, I also have a special gift for all my graduates. So sign up with your email via the link in the description below. Here are the brushes that I will be using, but feel free to draw along using paper, markers, or your favorite colored pencils too. Let's start by using our liner brush and white paint to draw a quick sketch. Now let's start coloring. Use your medium round brush to mix a small amount of black paint into a corner of your white paint. Then go ahead to use this light grey color to fill in the entire body of your Pusheen cat. Next, let's load the same brush with a darker shade of grey. Without washing your brush, just pick up more black paint. Lay down this dark grey for the stripes on Pusheen's head and her body. Don't forget the stripes on her tail as well. Now for her tiny mouth, use your small round brush to dab on some pink paint. If you are ready to outline your design, pick up your liner brush and black paint and let's work our way from the top to the bottom. If you like to learn how to draw more cute and easy drawings like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, followed by the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. If you're happy with your design, you can stop here, but I thought it would be fun to show you how to take your Pusheen cat up to cloud 9. So let's load our large flat brush with white paint, then mix this into this pretty rainbow gradient from the Effects Palette A. This is my favorite hack to create new colors. Now, let's give Pusheen a super happy pastel background. And our rainbow isn't complete without fluffy clouds, so let's use our medium round brush to press in some white clouds at the base of our rainbow. For those of you who think you could never draw or paint like this, I highly encourage you to sign up for my free online beginner's art class. You will definitely surprise yourself, and I also have a special gift waiting for you at the end of the class. So go ahead and sign up via the link in the description below. Next, let's use our liner brush with white paint to draw an extra outline. Now let's add some teardrops in decreasing sizes. These teardrops should be pointing towards the middle of your design. And don't you just love these tiny dots and starbursts? Something about them just really makes your whole design come together. And that's it! I hope you love your super cute and easy drawing of Pusheen the Cat. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon to join me again next week. I'm also running weekly coloring contests and giveaways on my Instagram account, so check that out in the description below. And let me know in a comment if you would prefer to learn how to draw a unicorn or a mermaid in next week's drawing tutorial. Happy drawing guys, and I'll see you in my next art video.